आज हम इस वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे चैप्टर 2 एसिड बेस सॉल्ट एक्टिविटी 2.5 दैट इज हाउ डू मेटल कार्बोनेट एंड whenever metal carbonate that is Na2CO3 अगर हम सोडियम कार्बोनेट की बात करें और metal hydrogen carbonate that is NaHCO3 we are separately treating this but we get the same answer. For example, whenever metal carbonate or hydrogen carbonate react with an acid it forms salt and release carbon dioxide and form water also. So carbon dioxide is a gas which evolve in this reaction. So Na2CO3, take any example of any acid, for example HCl, it forming NaCl. NaCl. In order to balance this 2, we write down here 2 to NaCl so that we get 2 here also. Plus carbon dioxide that is CO2 and the rest of it will form water. Now same with NaHCO3, if we take HCl, then again it form NaCl, this time no 2 because balancing में required नहीं है. Then CO2, 2 H are left and 1 O is left, meaning water is there. So now watch this activity. So we take the third test tube and we will add the mixture of sodium carbonate. Then there is an evolution of gas with brisk effervescence. Now the gas evolved here is the carbon dioxide. It is an important point. The gas evolved in this reaction is the carbon dioxide. Same experiment आप घर पे भी perform कर सकते हैं. How this carbon dioxide detected which is evolved in this reaction? So when carbon dioxide is passed through the lime water is CaOH whole twice. So whenever it is passed through lime water, it turns lime water milky. आप activity में देख रहे हैं figure 2.2 में. Now what is the reaction here? CaOH whole twice is the lime water and when we pass carbon dioxide into it, it form CaCO3. 2 यहाँ था, एक O यहाँ से आया, rest क्या बच गया? H2O plus H2O. Now because of this CaCO3, that lime water is milky. ठीक है, तो lime as soon as we are passing carbon dioxide into lime water, it turns milky. Milkiness का मतलब होता है whiteness appear हो जाती है because of formation of calcium carbonate. Now what happened if we pass excess of carbon dioxide in this solution? So as we know CaCO3 is already present there and we are passing carbon dioxide, water is already present there. Now this milkiness will disappear because of formation of calcium hydrogen carbonate. So this is a 2-mark separate question ki how we can detect carbon dioxide. So we can detect carbon dioxide by passing it into lime water which turns lime water milky. Why it become milky? Because of formation of calcium carbonate. Then what happened if we pass excess of carbon dioxide into it? Then that milkiness is disappear. Reason, जैसे कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट इनसॉल्युबल होता है इसलिए मिल्कीनेस आती है, कैल्शियम बाइकार्बोनेट सॉल्युबल होता है, मीनिंग देयर विल बी नो मिल्कीनेस इन द सॉल्यूशन. सो ये इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है, दैट इज कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट का जो प्रेसिपिटेट बनता है वो व्हाइट कलर का प्रेसिपिटेट बनता है, वेयर एज कैल्शियम बाइकार्बोनेट जो होता है वो सॉल्युबल हो जाता है ड्यू टू विच दैट मिल्कीनेस डिसअपियर. Now all the metal carbonates, whether it is sodium carbonate, then calcium carbonate or magnesium carbonate, any carbonate present react with acid, any of the acid in same way and produce salt, carbon dioxide and water. So this is a generalization. Whenever metal carbonate or bicarbonate react with an acid, it forms salt, carbon dioxide and water.